Well, my name is Paul Borosky, and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and I'm here to bring y'all our business plan writers tip number 24, which is just because you love a product or service or starting a certain type of business, it doesn't mean it's going to make you money. And so when our business plan writers write business plans, we try to persuade our clients to conduct some kind of a capital budgeting analysis just to make sure that their concept is going to make money. And not only that, but when they do put this information into a business plan, it's also going to convey to the reader how this company is going to generate revenues. So let me show you an example of this. Here's a template that I've created that our business plan writers use. And for this template, what happens here is that we can put in a cash flow, which is an initial investment. And then we can put in different cash flows for the next several years. And what this will do is, based on information plugged in, it's going to tell us whether it's profitable. So let me give you an example here. So for this company, they expect to generate $15,000 in sales from a new product. And so we'll put it here for year one. And then an additional $1,000 for the next 4 years. So for the next 4 years, so we'll start at $15,000, 16, 17, 18, all the way up to $19,000 they're going to be making off of this particular product. It's going to cost them $50,000 to start the project. So we put the $50,000 here in the initial investment. And the company's cost of capital is 10%, so we put it here under the data block. And the reinvest rate is 11%, and we'll put it right here. And so what this will do, once we have all this information in here, it'll calculate what the net present value is of the product or the service. In this particular situation, what this is saying is that after all debts are paid and after the initial investment is paid back, this project is going to make the company $13,723. So since this net present value is positive, this means that this project is going to make the company money and they should do it. Also, the internal rate of return is 19.8%. And since this is higher than the discount rate, this again tells us that this product or this service is going to make money. And then for the payback and the discounted payback right here, this tells us that the initial money spent of $50,000 will be paid back to the company in approximately 3.1 years. And taking into consideration the discount rate, the money paid back will be in 3.84 years. So having this information in your business plan and showing the various investors on how profitable this is going to be in finance terms is going to take you a long way into justifying your business or your business expansion. So hopefully this information was helpful, and if y'all need some help writing a business plan, just give me a shout. Thank you.